So join me in my kitchen if you want to see how I make this delicious microwave egusi soup. Join me and let's go. You're welcome. It's your first time of coming across. Wow. Join me. My microwave soup, catfish, everything is inside. Join me. Let's see how we make this microwave egusi soup. You're welcome. Hey, thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. This is my rig face. This is my rig face. Welcome to First in this kitchen. So let's continue with our egusi soup. Thank you for joining me today. You're welcome. So we're making baked egusi soup, oven baked egusi soup. And so let me just try this system. There are actually different ways of making egusi. You can make egusi and come out very sweet, very nice. So today let's see how we're gonna make our baked egusi soup. So this is my meat I'll be using. I have already boiled meat. This is stockfish boiled, already cooked. This is the shaki. I have shaki. I have shaki, which is known as the stomach. This is cow leg, the foot. This is common, known as height and skin. Yeah, this is cow leg. And I have the beef also. I have beef here. I will have what in the egg? I have yeah, gizzard. I have some gizzard as well. Yeah, some chicken gizzard. And this is, I have catfish here. I have the catfish. This is the cat. I had catfish and some oven grilled sese. Yeah, and the locust beans is also here. I have the locust beans here. I love locust beans. This is the vegetable, and later I'm going to use this red hot pepper. And I have 3 types of vegetables here. I have the bitter leaf and the punky. Yeah, I soaked it over the night to remove the dirt. You know, sometimes they are full of sand and dirt. And this is already grounded, blended egusi. So this egusi I'm going to mix with warm water. This is the red oil I'll be needing as well. And this is my chopped onions, very important. I'll be needing also the crayfish, and I'll be needing my seasoning as well, very important too. So right now what I'm going to do first, I'm going to mix this egusi with some with the stock I used to boil my meat. I have my tatashe here, yeah, tatashe, known as red bell pepper. I have onions and some little tomato, just 1 seed of tomatoes I grounded together to make the sauce. So I'll be transferring some stock into this already blended egusi. I mixed it to paste because I have to cut it in a plate. Cut it small and put it in the oven and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes in the oven, then bring it. So I'll cut it into small pot, like when you're cutting your akara, something like that. I'm trying going to cut it small like this and put it in the oven. So it's actually I'm putting it in microwave. It's not oven, sorry, it's not oven. Why I want to use microwave, I want it to have that seed, that lumpy beautiful egusi. So I've cut it like this now. So I'll put it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. So as we have the egusi in microwave, so I already have my hot pot on the gas. Okay, so we have to fry the, have to add the oil now and allow it to hot for some minutes. Just allow it to hot, not that smoky hot, but hot. Then before I can fry the onions. Oil is hot now. To fry the onion. I usually fry this for also 2 to 3 minutes. And please, at this time, I'll ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time of you coming across my channel on YouTube, you are very much welcome, and say welcome to my channel subscriber. I say God bless you. I see your comment, I see your likes. I say I not take it for granted. I say thank you very much. Thank you for supporting me. Please do your guy a favor, do your sister a favor, show her some love by subscribing and also sharing. If there's anything you gain on this, then maybe new ideas on my video, please do not forget to like. And thank you very much. So right now we are going to continue to stir. You have to stir very well before I'll add the crayfish, and then also add crayfish now. Please, you have to stir. I tell it's very nice when you also fry your crayfish, but not for too long so I don't get burned. You have to keep on stirring so that I don't get burned. So now I'm adding the so it's dried now enough. So I'm gonna add my turkey, the item skin, the beef, my meat that boiled together. Add them now. I want to see if I will get that thick egusi, let's see what we'll get out of this. So I'm also going to add my grilled fish, catfish, locust beans, everything now. Just follow me. I'm gonna add some water to it, also from the stock. So now that I've mixed, I'll add the remaining stock. That's the water I used to boil my meat. So I'm gonna let it boil before I add the microwaved egusi, and I'm adding now again my stock, my seasoning, salt, a little salt because there are already salt before, then crayfish, crayfish. So I'm gonna allow this to boil. Look at how it comes out. I don't want it to get pieces. I want to get that. Look at how it comes out like this after the microwave. So I've added, cut it, I'll cover it, allow it to boil. Then I'll load the heat so I don't get burnt. You know, egusi easily gets quick burnt. So that is how it comes out. Wow, this is so lovely. So now I'll be adding my pepper. You know, I like it hot this time, yeah, and I like that beauty. And I'll be introducing the vegetable as well. You can see, you can smell the aroma in my kitchen now. Oh, wow, this is so lovely, and it's beautiful too. You can see the pepper, it brings us some beauty and gives that flavor too. There's a flavor it adds to it at the stage. So please, if this is your first time of coming across my video on YouTube, you are welcome. Please do me a favor, just click on the like button and click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell so that whenever I load a video, I'll upload video here once a week, because I'm a working mom, so I'm rushing to work now even, so that you can support the girl, like, share my video.